Over here you can see that I have an image right here, and if you want to see the details for this particular picture, then you can go around over here onto the info section by going around into more, and over here you can see info is here. You can close this, and then you can also go around onto the info section by going around onto the triangular icon right here and by clicking on info. And you can also go around onto window right here, and then you can go to info right here. You can click and drag this out to bring the info out over here just like this as well. You don't see anything at the moment, but as soon as I move around the cursor, now you can see all the details for that particular point right here, for that particular pixel. So you can see the amount of color that is being used right here. The amount of K is the key color, red is the amount of R is the amount of red, green is the amount of Z is the amount of green, and B is the amount of blue right here. You can see its color codes right there as well. And here you can see the inches. You can see the distance from the X and Y, from the top and the left over here in inches over here as well. You can also go around and change that to pixels, so you can exactly know which coordinates of pixels you are in. And you can go around and change to RGB color for this as well, and it's SB, that is hue, saturation and brightness color level over here just like this as well, and grayscale over here just like this. So you can choose around the type of detail that you want to view for where your mouse cursor is, as you can see right here as you move this around, and you can see all of the details just like that. And that is how you can use the info panel inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.